Hello everyone, and in this video I will walk you through the simple step to register for Lloyds Bank online banking. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to begin, visit lloydsbank.com and ensure you are signed into your account, whether it's personal or business. If you are a new user, locate the register option on the login page. Click on register here for online banking, where you will enter your first name, last name, and date of birth associated with your bank account. After providing these details, confirm your email address, indicate your residence in the UK, enter your postcode and provide your account type, sort code, and bank account number. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click continue. The next step involves verifying additional details, such as your passport or driver's license. Once verified, you'll be directed to a page where you can set up your username and password. Completing this process successfully will result in the creation and activation of your Lloyds Bank online banking account. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.